Compared to like in school when we do more theory-based forensics, this actually puts like what we learn in school, like the theory into actual practice, and I would say it's a bit different from just reading based on theory lah.
This CTF, it's pretty engaging and I'm actually learning new skills along the way.
I would describe this CTF as educational, as I got to learn and use many tools that I never touched on before.
I think the scenarios are quite interesting. Some of them are taken from the SANS courses, and there's many artifacts to extract and analyze. So I've been learning a lot and I've been having a lot of fun.